Good.
If you want to go to the top,
if
you are interested.
if you want to go, then you understand. Like, see this view from there to nice view. Okay. Photo done. Video done. You
Planning to do like Everest base camp.
I'm good. After long time meet. Today 26. Time 8:27. Without money entry politics traveling to all day 137. Like you can see there, like this also, this side also, this bag, like literally this time right now like 12, like almost 12, and morning time I woke up, then starting backpacking because after just few days then I am going to, like, you know about already, like Goa on this side, then like Kerala, Pondicherry, and there we actually stop like this. I buy only this website. You can see their clothes, they are on there, like this type all, and yeah, like, oh, that is not me, that is like her clothes, and yeah, this type like dry cloth, like this type, like, yeah, and that is this guest house, and that is this hostel. I pay on day 130 rupees, yeah, 10-20 rupees discount, like, that is my bottle, her bottle. Because she also sitting there few moment ago. Bottle or like her bottle. Most probably my bottle. Like I check it inside. Okay.
I just put my charger
Yeah.
for like half an hour
Yeah.
and then realized that it was not on.
Many people relate this thing. Like eating all done. This Rajasthan government canteen. After that, going to this temple. This, and me and he also both going there. And they also refill this water bottle. I say I never buy water bottle. Never buy. Like, close to this mountain, this temple, and see this. So guys, हम भी इस vlog में कैसे हो आप? Good. I visit many times, like countless, literally countless. Yeah, like very simple trekking.
Like till the top.
Till the top, yeah.
Like if you want to go to the top.
if
you are interested.
If you want to go, then you understand, like, because see, like this. Oh, this.
No, we can try. Maybe we can. Yeah, but I think if you want to go there, then don't think about the top. Just think about the next step.
That is right. This step up trail. See, this step, and there monkey, and this like full of hill like forest.
Only the view is so good.
Yeah.
Then what will be the view from that top?
Top is, you see, like full of this, like
A more bigger picture.
more bigger picture. Top.
I think it's not much up.
No, that is not much. Like
15-20 minutes maybe.
maximum to maximum, your walking speed and all, like
So fast.
so fast. Then like 30 minutes, 35 minutes maximum.
Oh,
Yeah.
I'm realizing that I don't have that much stamina for like trekking, like proper trekking. This is like steps 1,
Step on.
but for proper trekking I have to come here at least like 1 or 2 times per week.
Like, because if anybody is starting suddenly, like then time, even I am remember I'm starting traveling also this time. This
Yeah,
time,
but in 1 month, no, I will be very much
yeah, 1-2 months you
flexible,
like very
right?
like
Very
strong.
athletic.
I think I come back South India, then I saw an bodybuilder and this athletic person totally transformed.
Yeah.
Yeah, like, see that is Savitri Mata temple. Then from there to go back, and from there to elevation starting more and more. See this view. From there to nice view. Like, but
Oh, that is Pushkar Lake,
yeah, that is Pushkar Lake, and that is hostel.
our hostel.
Yeah, a lot of like they have a like feel like camping something. They're just camping. This whole actually this whole area.
Oh. It's for like a tourist, like a desert experience.
Proper you feel like desert experience. This time monsoon because the turn green and something, but proper desert feel like.
Other season, proper desert.
Proper desert.
Because of monsoon, these greens have grown.
Green and grown. Also like Selago peoples, the bike sound and like desert safari and this all.
That with fat tires.
Fat tires. This type all. Hi. Hi.
MP
MP मध्य प्रदेश
आप
कोलकाता
तो फोटो ले लो एक हम लोगों की
ओके
ले ले लो फोटो
ओके
हरे भैया रे
they're saying like take to my photo okay photo done video done you video can you take you photo my photo I say yeah sure this all family coming okay done
I want to be seen in YouTube.
yeah wow this view like
Planning to do like Everest base camp or
yeah
Annapurna base camp someday.
yeah obviously I try like anything like hilly like adventure something and like I feel like I doing one thing like this thing before anybody not doing oh I did not capture actually
Oh, he's gone.
oh this yeah, this that is actually peacock this peacock like from there to flying then this and say wow like and you saying eagles right that is peacocks wow like
But his color was like that of eagle. Light brown.
this type you see there peacocks if you going this side there oh this oh
This one.
yeah you heard about peacock sound and yeah coming down and girlfriend anything you just go and like very good
Husband
place.
wife also. Situationship also can go there.
Delhi people
Or if you want to like the type of incidents happening right now, so if you want to throw somebody off a
yeah
cliff,
throw someone then
that's-
also
that's also
yeah
of
hi
the-
guys hi and yeah like place is good
Yeah. How is it looking?
good
Good.
like if you like it it's okay if you not like for me like I did not take like I am not wasting money like simple like,
Oh, so you're saying that I'm wasting money?
no I'm not saying like depend on person to person you know like I'm not saying you wasting money like I'm not saying like
I'm not like a full-time traveler like you.
yeah like
So you having your priorities.
Yeah,
I'm having like my priorities.
that
Ah.
Oh.
How are you?
I'm good. After long time meet.
कैसे हो?
Good.
I like this. My friend very nice. This only YouTube.
Only do like.
Only YouTube.
How was your business like?
Good, good,
Good.
good business.
Crowd all like or not too much anything?
No, now crowd is not too much.
Not
But
too
now
much?
we start.
Now just seasoning starting.
Now raining coming, the Shiva festival coming.
Yeah.
Ball bum, Tadak bum.
Then
In
many
1
people-
month.
1 month.
Next month,
Yeah.
Jai Babba ki.
Like, but that is opening
In
time.
the season.
Yeah. But that is to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah. I happy like after long time meet I.
Yes.
Okay, bye bye. That is actually wonderful, like content creation.
he's like a friend of yours.
And that is actually very wonderful. Like you walking and just meet subscribers, they coming and like
Yeah.
this moment, like wonderful moment. Lot of crowd and finally go to Pushkar Lake.
मैं बुलेट लेके चला रही हूँ छोड़ हाँ करो चलो
Like your secret, because if you if I am like new village, then I know about how to like you. like they like. Both Pushkar and lake and this Savitri Mata temple, they are like first Pushkar lake and they're down. Then this time going to little bit Pushkar outside there, and just going to little bit Pushkar outside, simple. And I just go and walking, just like walking and explore because he knew there, but I know well. Then just walking
Very
and just explore, and you see like this crowd, no crowd anything. This shop you see like there are Rasgulla actually. I saw and like I am like literally like wow, Rasgulla there. Middle of road, urinated and all rock and all. Literally because of this whole car like so what is it? Like literally this whole cow because there are like vehicle like stop and all and the middle of road they urinated like and you can see this, that is outside of Pushkar city currently right now. Outside in Pushkar and there is shop this like
टमाटर वगैरह नहीं डालना
egg and all and this all stuff. And hi.
Hi, I'm gonna ask today.
टाइम पास कर रही
हाँ लेकिन बंद हो गया नहीं मिल तो जाता है लेकिन लेकर चल जाओ
Long time I again eating egg and again I eating non-veg like, and this like I am as a traveling like you know like I am as a traveler and you know about why I eating non-veg because if you anybody like this all okay he pay and he's saying like if you eat egg and all if you eat like non-veg I'm saying yeah like if you anybody they do it and they like I'm just not ignored because I'm traveling and at this point I have a little no money anything and then you know about already all things and I already previous on blog already all mentioned when I eating like say like they are eating non-veg and all okay that is outside of Pushkar and they are eating all is done back, not packaging, not anything, just eating done back to this type like, and this thing like I saw like most of the if you they like non-veg and this type they all doing this thing, all traveler this thing, Indian and foreigner all, but yeah I saw like mostly they're going to Ajmer because Ajmer is a lot of like stuff available and this and but because inside in Pushkar and also our hostel in Pushkar main Bazaar market Like a main location, that is actually. They are very strictly this. What is that? It's like all walking and like
Yeah.
his experience
Well,
good.
just about to complete 12,000 steps.
12,000 steps.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
From the time we have gone from room for Savitri Mandir,
Yeah.
from that time I wore this watch
Yeah.
and it counts my steps. So just about to like see 11,961 steps.
Then 12 already done.
12, 13 maybe.
Maybe.
13,000 step is like pretty decent walking we have done.
Like
That too in elevation also.
So, like both
10, 6.
10, 6, 22, 16.